is TJ's birthday. And I am going to throw a one-man birthday party for him. You may be wondering, what is a one-man birthday party? This will take some imagination. First, I will drink this coffee. Then I'm going to get up, get dressed, and try to look a little less. We're going to begin our search for birthday materials. All right, enough talking. Let's go. Look at me finding out my hair don't look good in the wind. I'm walking to Daiso. All right, get ready for the montage. So we found the party section. Oh, those are cute. Okay, I'm gonna get those. How many? There's 5 of these. You guys, he's turning 29. So cheap, might as well. Okay. You know, I'm gonna get the gold too, you know. One of you. You guys think TJ would look good in this? Happy birthday! So, I just finished at Paris Baguette. Just bought a cake. Now, I'm gonna go home, put this cutie little cake in the fridge. I got chocolate because chocolate's his favorite. Okay, so I am back at the house and now I will show you the room that I will be decorating. So this is the humble little living room I will be decorating. We have our TV. Look, it's our pictures right there. Yeah, but this table and then a couch. That took me over an hour. Who would have thought? So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I did. I tried my best. So, yeah, I'll ignore that. But yeah, that took me so much longer than I expected. And he'll walk in and be like, oh my gosh, what does that say? Happy birthday.
20 minutes later.
Of course, TJ being who he is, he called me and was like, what are we gonna eat for dinner today? Because his number one, let me close this door. His number one concern of every single day is what are we eating? And so, yes, so I basically talked him into wanting pizza, even though that was supposed to be part of my surprise. He obviously doesn't know about the cake and the decoration. So, we still got a good thing going, guys. He just knows the pizza's coming. But yeah, I still need to figure out a spot to put the phone, but he called me right when I was trying to figure it out. So I'm gonna do that now. So, change of plans. TJ called me and he actually wanted to go out to eat because our pizza place wasn't delivering. So now I'm gonna go meet him for dinner. I'm gonna try and go into the house without him like ahead of time so I can set up the cake and we can still do the surprise. But wish me luck, guys.
장난이었어 이거. 왜 문제 있어?
Okay, I didn't realize he was waiting for a text message, so I just texted him saying he could come up. But here he comes. Happy birthday! Come in.
What's going on?
It's a birthday party.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, baby. What the heck? You didn't tell me.
Why would I tell you?
No, I mean like you had to like poker face the. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
How do you feel?
Oh my god. What's going on?
What's going on?
What's this?
It's a surprise. Hence me not telling you. Have you ever heard of them?
No.
No?
I mean, yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear TJ. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Baby, you're supposed to blow it.
Thank you.
You're the worst.